Can commentate.
Yeah, rookies, commentate the live stream.
All right, for those of you on Underdog, the current line is GCU minus 6.5. It's a bold bet, but large payout on that, let me tell you. We are plus 400 on this game, actually, even though we're favored. I don't really know how it works, but it works.
We're pulling first. Yeah, we have Moose and Achilles.
For those of you bet on the Gatorade,
Jason's.
we're out of Gatorades.
What is Dirty Bird?
Are you live streaming?
Oh, and Spring Valley.
CQ, that's your team! Let's go, boys!
Let's go!
Let's go, Trey!
Come on, Drayson has the disc. Passing it to Jared. Upline.
Phil!
They're filling.
Yeah, CQ! Hey, get it back, get it
Turnover by
back!
us. Spring Valley's disc. Oh.
Come on, come on.
Spring Valley on Cox.
Breaking us. Literally breaking us.
They are breaking us right now.
Literally breaking us.
Oh my god.
Zion, what do you have to say about this?
Oh my god.
Score by Spring Valley. Here, Rookie Banana.
He said line 2. Yeah, we are over here. This is line 2. That's Alex. There's 2 people on there.
Oh wait, guys, down here.
Oh yeah, that's fact.
Wait, no, down here.
Yeah.
No, they're pulling.
Yeah, that's on. Okay,
Oh,
yeah.
you're right. Why'd you say that there?
Is this for the
We got
Dirty
the
Birds
sideline.
Instagram? Is that for the Dirty Birds Instagram?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. How many you got? Oh, 2 viewers.
Yeah.
It's Moose and Achilles.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Yeah.
We pulled 2.
We do not need to stream this, dude.
The Game Pack also one had like 35.
Well,
I guess
yeah,
that was a
'cause that's
tournament
the
final.
chip.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess that was a
Final
tournament
This
final.
is Dirty Birds played in high
Playing
school and we're
Spring-
currently losing.
Spring Valley. Yeah. Well, let's
No,
not bring
Sammy's not here. He's at tennis.
He's live answering the question.
We played 6 on that last line.
Yeah, we're trying to take it easy on them because, I mean, who? Jesus Christ. What the hole, man? Can we recruit? I mean, we should go to Chucktown instead of.
I was talking to him.
Commonwealth.
He said he's going to
Hey, we're good. We're back in. We're back in.
the uplines.
Hey, sideline.
Inside George, all inside. All inside.
Up!
Jay.
Really? Yeah. Dude, that would be sick to go
That's
to.
what I'm saying.
Nice, George!
Well, I mean, is it Axe the one you don't want to host?
Hot, Jay, hot!
No, it's not even host that. It's the Commonwealth Cup.
Oh, well, we also want that every time. But like,
But imagine how nice it would be if
Dude,
instead every time
I
we
could
went
fit like 15.
No rounds!
Because we have us, and then like our connecting
down.
is also like a thing. Like so many goddamn people in there.
Hey, find a stack!
Well, there was
Closer, Kevin.
Why'd you say younger, dude?
I know.
Why are you shooting? I know.
Back in! Josh, your poach!
Red shirt up!
Josh, your poach!
Good.
Autumn J! Deep, flat! Good man! Hey, good try, Aiden! Leave it, hey, D up! Hey, drop it.
Oh my god. Who's the handler?
Josh, go now. Josh, attack this side. Attack this side and curl it. Hey, hit break side. Under.
There you go, George.
Good post.
I like that. Nice work.
One day, George.
This one,
Nice, George.
There you go, Shug. Out.
Hey, they're post.
You got dumped.
Someone's post. Blaze your post.
Nice plays. There you go, Sugar. Hey, push back! Push back!
George, go! Yes. Good swing, Shug. Here's across.
Hey, who's back? Who's back? Sir George.
George and Jay. George across. Up line. Nice. You're dump. Up. Clear. Call it.
Nathan, you're back.
Get there.
Yes.
Shug.
Not in.
Hey,
You're dumb.
Call your three. Fire. Call your three, Sugar. What are you doing?
fire.
Shug, you're up line. Clear. Will J.
No. Why?
Hey, we're back on D. Let's go.
It's currently 0-1. They scored, we haven't.
I mean, this is better than last year. Last year, if you would miss it, you go like this and jump head first.
Get there, son. Up.
He didn't need so much time.
There you go, Nish.
So much time to get it last time.
It's gonna go so far, OB. I don't think y'all are winning.
Give me an M.
Am I on?
Yeah, somebody hold this. Yeah. So,
Was that Jay's live stream?
is it?
Yeah, are you birds account or like someone's account?
Make sure we're talking to him and we keep energy up, yeah?
You gotta set the tone right now.
I don't know.
There's like one of
Let's say.
Let's talk to
just show just like all of your football hits. Use it out there because that'll throw them off the end zone. I didn't know what the ball. It'll throw them off the end zone. One of your good football hits into them. They won't be able to
Trust, if you catch the ball when it's up there and they come into you, they're going to bounce off. If any kid tries to run into you, they're going to bounce off.
Yeah, so I don't know how I feel about being up on heavy. You can definitely make up a foot or two.
Yeah.
Obviously, if it's there, I'll take it. But the grounds are good.
They're a little fast.
Yeah, fuck this freaky shit.
And they like to really cut through the stack, too.
There is though. I was
Yeah.
no stack. Which
They just cut straight through the middle of the field. Like, there was a couple of them. I probably should have called a pick on them because
Yeah, do it.
Jesus.
Fuck that shit.
Yeah.
Stop. It lets me breathe for a second too.
Sorry, we got a lot of things.
all right, here we go.
Let's go!
Hello again.
They're poaching. Thank you.
Yeah, Hitchcock.
Let's go, boys!
You got blanks. You got blanks.
There you got him.
There you go.
Nice. Oh, it's all right. It's all right.
Blanks, you're good, Blanks! You're okay, Blanks!
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Get up, kid!
Sideline. Give him a yard.
I look, you broke my ankle, bro.
Good cut.
Yeah.
I just gave it to somebody. I'm like, someone will get it.
Yeah, Derek took it.
It's my account.
Let's go! Keep going!
It's good hold. Reset! Reset! Reset!
His glasses came off again. He needs like direct specs, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, they just put it back on him.
Good sportsmanship.
Pitch.
That's why it's better.
Reset!
Yes, Christian! Yes! Christian, go to the corner! Go to the corner, Christian!
End zone!
Another one, Hitchcock, make the cut.
Hit Logan! Hit Logan! Hit Logan! Yes!
That's Derek. All right.
Give me that.
Caught a D.
Go Hitch! Go Hitch! Go Hitch!
No one?
Breathe it out.
I'm sweating already.
It's great weather for Frisbee.
Let's go, Logan!
Boy, Alex.
Dude, I wanted to throw it deep so bad when I was on the field, but I held myself back.
Yeah.
Like, no, not yet.
Because Alex had to say something about doing
Wait a little later.
I'll wait.
We also kind of talked
Surprising.
about running zone if we turn it. I said not yet. In a little bit.
Hit your poach.
Oh, shit.
Get it back! Get it back!
He just has to run toward the disc.
You're good, Tech. Seal.
Up!
Who's on him?
Air bounce. To nobody.
I thought he was laying up for that.
Yeah.
Hey, it's low-key a marathon point already.
All of them have been for the most part.
That first one was
Yeah,
kind of
first
quick.
one was
I said for the
fairly
most part.
quick.
Hey, Stack, push back a little bit.
Hey, look, they're still being poachy.
Who's poach? Hitch, your poach!
Poach.
No way.
Oh, no. Oh,
Okay,
yes.
it works.
Yeah, Logan.
That up line?
Hitch, poach.
Oh. Okay. Oh my god.
Break side.
Alright, another D.
Get it back.
Hitchcock, you last. Turkey left.
Watch four here. Good, Nana, get there. Go, Dale's coming!
Come on, Derek.
Jesus.
Not in.
Another.
Nice mark, Nana. Aiden. Take your time.
Hitch, your poach. Derek, you're poached! Derek, you're poached!
Derek, your poach.
Hitch is free!
Hitch! Look at
Reset! Hitch is free!
Continue.
Break side! Yes! Cut deep!
You have Hitch. Throw and go. Hey, handler set.
Was that two?
Go, Lucas. Foul called.
Good call!
I don't even see what happened.
He got sandwiched.
But yeah. I didn't know if that was already in the air or not.
No one within 20 feet of Hitch is kind of ridiculous.
And that new kid, is that injured?
I think so, yeah.
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure it is.
Hey, editor, cut that out. Cut that out.
We'll edit that out.
Hey, here we go, dog. Here we go.
Dude, I hardly knew any of the bets anymore. I came back to Christmas.
Yes, reach out.
Wow, Chan. Didn't even study.
Yes, I'm
TBS
fine.
until like the end of the
Oh, shit.
Hitchcock, your last. Hitchcock, your last.
Around.
Nice, Derek. Good D, Derek.
No, around. Once backhand. Now it's flick, but it was backhand. Now we're backhand.
Getting some good movement here.
Oh!
Jesus. What's the score?
Look at Jared, Drayson,
2,
Lugie,
3,
Ryan,
4,
Asher,
5,
Lang,
6, 7. That's a line.
I had a feeling.
Yeah, if we didn't have so many people here and this worked just for experience, then yes. But yeah, that's what it's for.
We're live streaming it.
Hey,
That's Coach Tucker right there.
really proving myself on film today.
In front of a live studio audience.
Yeah.
How many views do you have right now? Still 2?
4.
Oh, we got 2 more.
It was 6 on the last point.
Oh, we got up to. It was 2 for a little bit.
What do you got to say to the camera?
Don't believe the scoreline. Things are going great.
Hey, we're coming back.
We're actually
We're
up,
getting
not
their
down.
hopes up.
A lot of these kids don't seem to be high schoolers to me.
Yeah, where's the eligibility rules? Can
I'm
we
gonna
get
start-
USAU in here?
I'm gonna start asking for some birth certificates in a second.
Hey, we're just getting their hopes up. We'll be back.
We also need their socials just for other confirmations.
Right.
As a rookie, what do you think?
Honestly, I'm not worried. Like, we're just forcing things that we should be forcing. If we play our best game, it should be pretty easy.
Of course.
First line.
No, I'm here.
Oh,
Oh, I'm not
yeah, who
sure.
is on?
Hey, Olivia joined.
Speaking of, I'm gonna ask Tucker about running zone.
What was that?
Said I'm gonna ask Tucker about running zone.
Fair.
If we turn it or something, or hopefully we score here.
I mean, Trey should be on the way if he's coming.
Hey, reinforcements are coming. Don't you worry.
You can be live, but not text me back.
Hey, I'm not the one doing the live stream, man. That's a rookie challenge.
Oh, yes, I'm supposed to text her back for you.
Playing every third line is nice.
Yeah.
So what? I only played at Bare Bones, which is like 8 people.
Yes, G-Russ, he is definitely in trouble.
Oh my god. Yeah. There played some old heads who just like ran us up and down the field. So yeah, it's bad. The full fundamental.
Okay, Spring Valley is about to throw off here soon.
The second day was horrible.
Okay, hands up. Both hands are up.
It was in like I think
They're throwing
early
off.
October. Oh no, it would have been earlier than that.
Let's go, boys!
It was pretty chilly. Oh wow. Yo, sideline!
Sideline!
Wait, he's a lefty. Never mind.
Jared has the disc.
Oh!
Disc
Good!
up. Hayes.
Don't force anything. Hey, chilly.
Reset couldn't go off. Oh, to Asher. Asher catch. CQ running up. CQ not in.
Wow!
CQ wide open but not seen. Jared has the disc again. Hey, end zone! Just an unfortunate throw and non-catch.
Get your left!
Okay.
Hey, start tag. Look at start tag. Give him a swing.
Yes. What's cut? No round.
Come on, Flugie, no rounds.
Look at start tag. Guys, all good.
Oh, drop by Spring Valley. Little Dre picking up the disc.
Or side.
Achilles, this shit bad, brother.
Up.
This shit bad, brother.
If we score here, we're running it the next point.
Good effort, Louis. Good
If
effort.
we score here, we're running it.
Yes, CQ!
Come on, CQ!
No,
Reset! Reset! Upline! Upline! Upline!
Set, here we go.
Oh,
Tell it back.
we on. No rounds.
No round.
They don't have a backup handler. Oh, he just got into place. Oh, drop by
Bro, having the two lines is nice.
Spring. Okay. Jared picking it up.
Harder! Force this way! Sideline, yes! Dre's free! Dre's free!
Race for the around. Okay.
Yes, CQ!
CQ.
Good
Oh, CQ up to Flugie.
Yeah.
Reset.
Fine.
Yeah.
Okay, back to CQ.
Dre back! Dre back!
Dre back.
Dre back!
Okay, to Dre. You have Jared.
Reset!
Oh.
I like it, Asher, I like it! Up, up, up!
Throw. Come on, Asher. No round. No round. Up. Oh. Oh, he almost got it.
Sorry, I'm too tall.
You weren't even in it that much.
I just look back and I see you way up here.
Okay, Jared picking up.
Guys. No.
Oh, going deep to Hayden. Oh, wait. Call.
Right.
Call a foul.
Goes back to where you were at the spot of the foul.
Okay, going back to Jared after the foul.
Vet call. Veteran call.
Good call. You're right, Achilles.
Sideline!
Sideline. Okay. Ryan Hayes with the clutch.
Reset!
You have reset.
Yeah!
Okay, back to Jared.
CQ!
Look at CQ.
Reset!
Reset.
Up, Tim.
Nice to CQ.
Other way. Cut.
No cuts going off.
Up.
Oh. Low throw.
Chill.
That's unfortunate, but happens.
Look at Zach.
Replay says the best days, if only. Oh! Blocked by Lang! Call your three!
Dre, CQ, Jared. You're out.
Okay, dump to Jared. Oh, Jared to Flugie. Oh, blocked by Spring Valley.
Get there!
You're the handler. Come up.
Okay, Lang on handler.
Up!
Short pass.
Cali season! Up!
Okay. Oh, going deep, Spring Valley. Oh, hit him right in the hands. Another deep. Deep score. You know, Freaky, your turn to hold the live stream.
I can.
3,
4, 5, 6. Seven.
That's a line.
Right. Make sure to commentate.
Yeah. Alex is the other handler.
But he is also injured, so we'll see how well.
Score is
I think it's 0-4.
4-0. Bad guys.
0-4 Spring Valley.
There's big old coach talking to the team, getting them locked in. Start of the comeback, maybe. Who knows?
Hayden on screen and hit.
They're about to dap up. Oh, perfect dap.
Perky running to the other side.
That was terrible.
We'll pick it back up. So you're already halfway to half.
It's time for the trick.
Hey, we're up to 10.
Oh, 10 views.
Need a
But we should, like, I guess in my opinion, we should
Yeah, we might be losing to the underdogs right now, but
We'll bring it back.
or we won't. But our hearts and our bodies, we're putting them on the line.
Yeah, right now, the phone holder.
We got
One of the newest additions to our team,
the pull.
Rookie Freaky. Oh,
It's up.
going off. Oh, that's
Lil
actually
J.
that's a good.
Lil J with the catch
Fantastic.
to Alex. Good catch. Lil J to Alex. Alex still got it.
Cuts.
No one's on him.
Clear. Kevin, that's not your cut. Stay at the front.
Oh,
And they got
not a call.
this.
Up.
Should have been a call. Okay, they done. Who's on there?
Alex, who are you on? Who are you
Oh,
on?
just barely caught by the other team.
Up.
Alex is injured.
Other side. Get on the line, Chug. Get on the line. Up.
Oh gosh. They might score.
Don't let me around. No rounds.
Oh, dropped. And we got this
Hey,
guy.
Alex J.
Alex and Jay.
Make sure you talk to Achilles.
Here we go. Yeah.
And Aiden, uh-oh. Oh!
What a catch.
That shit, big boy.
Oh, Lil J. What a catch.
Josh, go towards this. Go towards the disc. Keep going towards it. Blaze and post.
Alex with the upline. Caught. And our first point. Lil J to Alex. Now it is 1-4. Yeah! Oh my God, I'm in. Someone take this. I'm in.
That's a line. Ooh, JJ on the.
No, it is.
Make sure to commentate.
No, I'm not commentating. You got it.
No, it's you. You were gotten to see the phone. Yeah.
Hey, we scored our first point.
Yeah, scored our first point.
Oh, yeah, scored the first point. 4-1. My voice.
Yep. 1-4.
What line is that right now?
Makeshift line.
Oh, is this random?
Actually, no, Nate's on it, so I think it's line.
It's line 2.
Yeah.
Well, no. It's line 3.
Like, yeah, line 3. Trey isn't here yet. He would be able to like
What's the chat saying?
Nothing.
It says Kiki what?
Do you prefer tip or shaft?
Answer the question,
How many
JJ.
channel points on the
Shaft.
How many channel points?
Hey, how many channel points are on this game?
18 had like 30 people on. We have like 2. We have like
No, we got 12.
We got 12. We got someone.
Yes, sir. Let's go, baby. Come on.
Come on, defense.
Come on, bro.
I got you.
Come on, Bob.
Bring Valley's disc.
Seal. Yep.
No rounds.
Yes, seal.
Nice.
Yeah.
Are we doing grits?
I think so. Nice.
Ooh,
Hitchcock interception.
We're calling Bermuda. Come on.
Yep. Cox.
I'm out.
Cox. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Zion. Thank you.
2-4, 2-4.
All right, guys.
Hey, there we
We got 11 people on.
There we go. We got.
Oh my God. We got 11 people on.
Come on, Cox. Hype them up.
Hey, they don't touch the disc. Hey, we never come out on offense again. I'm telling y'all.
Ada, you want to get a little interview in?
What's that?
How'd you feel about the score?
Man, I mean, there's some high schoolers. I couldn't do them too dirty.
I hear you. I hear you.
Nothing crazy.
It's
2-4 Spring Valley up. We just scored twice. They're never touching the disc again.
This group over here. If you play handler at all.
Gavin, what up, Gavin? Gavin, I'm gonna pay my dues. I promise, bro. I promise you.
It's 2-4. That's the score. We have 2. They have 4.
Hey, should I hold it this way or the other way?
Yeah, that's kind of better.
Yeah.
You can't really read it.
Nah, but it's whatever. Hey guys! Get the fuck away, Shug.
How many viewers we got?
We got 11. Yeah, we got 11, bro.
Another great pull.
Oh shit, I gotta go all the way down there.
Hey, let's go, Coach. Let's go, baby. Get down there. Get down there.
On him, Jason. On him.
You're hot.
Yes, Flugie.
Oh! Right here, watch up line!
On him, Jared. Seal. On him, Jared.
Wow! Take that cast! That's a good throw.
Oh, damn it.
Oh, come on, man.
Bro, someone else take this, bro. I don't want to carry this more.
Sorry, man.
Don't worry.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
He's uncoordinated. Sorry. You probably
Bro, someone take this, bro. I don't want to carry this shit anymore. Ooh, I gotta get on.
Oh, you want me?
Yeah.
No, we did. The captains did. All right, hey, I need.
Louis, start it. George, 4, 5, 6, Charles, 7. Let's go, baby.
Oh, we got to score on that.
Whose phone is this? Do you know?
They have a game.
I have no idea.
Sticker?
It's still James? Oh, okay.
They're looking for it.
Harder!
Nah, you can hold it now.
Let's go!
You can find a rookie, dude.
I can just see it.
Yeah. Hey, Derek, you want to hold this? professional.
I was on.
Derek was recording before.
I don't know. I was wondering if it's on.
Is that on Gamecock or something?
I'm on next.
Oh, bro, ain't no one watching this.
We had 14 viewers earlier.
They definitely just had that shit on mute, just on your desk. I didn't think I could get this fast.
Here comes the pool. Little Jay with the disc. Joshua Blaze.
Someone's stolen!
Yo, who's showing it?
Phil, George! No! Flat! Up! Get that!
Okay.
Fire!
I see. We're doing hybrid here. All right. That's
Get Carter!
I'm glad you guys are working it out.
One more swing! One
Sit
more swing!
down!
One more swing!
Carter, Sam in! Sam's coming in! Sam's coming in!
Everything's done.
Hey, get there, Kevin! Nice! Hey! Hot, Charles! Come in, Sam! You got Dak! Look at Dak! Look at Dak! That's also good. That's also good.
Yes!
All good look.
Yeah, I think I'm on.
How come defense stays on until I go on?
Defense goes on. Would you get him? Defense stays on until I go on.
Yeah.
You see, bro?
Oh shit! Take it.
Rookie.
Rookie freak.
Rookie record.
None of these get time back there. I can hear. I already see like what they.
Sir, what is this?
IG Live. I mean, it is the rookie job. I had to do it so much when I was a rookie.
He's going left and right.
Oh, that's no, but you gotta pin him.
That's hot.
But you gotta be more disciplined. I want them to get to this short yardage. If they go big yardage, that's fine.
Just simple. Grace could be kind of.
I want to just in their hands. I want to see them make the next 10 yard, 5 yard throw.
It's the only hand.
And then when everybody's put together,
And also, I went over there when you said that's you. It was like on the sideline over there. You shouldn't just pick up Mark.
It was so nice.
yeah, because he's going to be coming down.
Yeah, I know. It was just bad.
Who has my phone?
Water jug.
Is it? Water jug's taking over.
Set up the phone. All right, rookies, one of y'all.
Are you saving this?
Yeah, I'm going.
Hey, right on to Hitchcock. To Logan. Oh, strike. Phil! Phil! Okay. Phil to Perk. Perk to Hayden. Oh, Hayden deep to Nate. Nate Gerwitz. Aw, Nate block on Nate Gerwitz. Spring Valley's disc.
I don't remember these shorts fitting so tight.
I would have blocked that. Help him out, Sam! Help him out, Sam!
Oh, they turn. It was a bad throw.
Joey!
Okay, we got to see some good commentary.
Good upline!
Oh, upline to
Good!
Hitch. Is that in? Hey, score by Hitch.
Ban me. What is that, 6'3"? Don't ban me.
Yeah, thanks. Cut! Let's see who's on. One, dos, 3,
Ryan.
4,
JJ.
5,
Asher.
6,
CQ.
7.
That's a line.
That's a line.
Go, boys.
Yeah, I do. G-Cat.
Oh.
Thanks.
Great throw.
He was kind of flatting me a
It's
little
good, y'all. These are my new cleats here.
Oh, yeah, no.
They're actually a
What
year
score?
old.
Is it 3-6?
I don't know. I'm showing them my cleats.
It's 3-5.
3-5?
No, it's 6, right? Yeah.
Hey, let's get a break!
That's Nate's cleats right there. Kind of trash, I'm not gonna lie.
You didn't have to do me like that on mine.
Shit.
You know what?
Sorry for Nate. There goes my hat. It's fine. It's sweaty. Got Lil J's cleats here. My friend wore those when he played football. He was a lineman, so take that how you will. Here we are.
I should have laid out when I was mid there. If I laid out for that, I think I could have got the deal.
It's true. He could have, and he didn't. And that's the story of tonight.
I got my hand in the middle there and just didn't rip it away.
Lil Dre with the pull. Let's see if
Lil J with the pull. I mean, he has been working on these. He was talking about it before the game.
Beautiful pull right here.
We talked about this in preseason.
Oh, yeah!
Oh, yeah! And we expected nothing less from Dre. But that's just textbook from him. I mean, look at the amount of time the defense had to get down there. Better hang time than Pat McAfee. Dare I say it. Uh-oh. Swing.
Hey, there's a wide open. JJ.
Oh.
Seal.
We're moving back and forth here.
Right in the middle.
Interesting play by Asher there to go down. Not something you see every day. They love this sideline here. They are hugging it.
Guys, who's on this side?
Hey, overplay the sideline. Overplay the sideline. Overplay.
Get there.
Who's on that guy?
He's coming.
They are in a zone of sorts.
Middle. What sideline? What sideline?
Good.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's good. We forced them to move along. That's what the zone does. And they did it well there, let me tell you.
Yeah, I don't know, Jim.
Oh, no. Here's a guy who can move the disc.
Alex Salguay. Oh, my.
I mean,
Just take the easy throw.
the way he made that decision. Dare I say, little Mahomey there.
Yeah.
McDonald here. And that's kind of what we see out of Patrick Mahomes. Oh, I don't know, Jim. Oh. And the disc is up here. The placement there, dare I say, a little Trubisky-esque.
Just throw it away. Pressure's coming.
You know what? He recognized a blitz was coming, threw it away. A savvy play.
Don't take the sack.
Don't take the sack. Get out of the pocket, avoid the intentional grounding too.
Seal.
And you see these completions here, and you wonder, are they torching us? But they're doing what we want, which is side to side. That's really the way you beat the zone right there, because now they put us on our heels. Not a great situation here for the Gamecocks. Could you call a travel there? Maybe. What I know, just for the spirit of the game. And this is where the zone comes. In these short yardage situations with us behind the sticks.
That's my go.
But a great defensive play to keep the drive alive here. Lil J can in fact play defensive tackle. He's done it. You can play defensive tackle. We've seen that in several snaps here tonight. Getting on the interior. Forcing a sack or two. Oh yeah. It's tempting here. It certainly is. But he doesn't take it.
Reset.
A soft reset here.
Secure your post.
Drayson here giving the easy dump. Man on.
Go.
Get very vertical there for the, what are they, River Valley, Spring Hill, what are they called? Spring Valley. River Valley would be a little too obvious.
Yeah.
A diving catch there, just missed by the Spring Valley player. Tucker McMillan throwing some shade at the camera.
Hey, our reinforcements are here.
Reinforcements have arrived. Also sporting his Cox, as you can see. Buy yours now on www.cox.com. Don't go to that website, actually. I don't know what you'll find. I repeat, that is not affiliated with the program in any way or any of its members. It does not represent us.
Editor, cut that out later.
Can we edit that in post? Starting the drive here from the 1 yard line.
Oh, good move!
Great up line by Captain Seguedo, proving why he holds that title and that C on his jersey. Seguedo doing it again here, creating space, potentially for another handler right there. Just a little too far behind him.
Lock down D! Lock down D! Stop walking! Trey, around!
They're still in. They're still in.
No round! And it is up there, and it is caught. It is not in the end zone. These tight yardage situations are what the opposing team lives for and dies for. That's 7, right?
7.
Uno más.
Hey, D-line, let's go! I need you again, Louis, Sunday, Zach, Carter, Baja!
Right. 1.
Give me Logan.
2.
Line, off, let's go!
Trey, are you good? Give me Trey.
3. 4.
Give me George.
5. 6. 7. That's a line, baby. Want to talk to the crowd?
Nate, have you had a chance to hold the phone? You have? I don't know. Nate, I'm passing it on to you. Okay. Mo! You want to be the guy? That sucks. Here you go.
I have just a normal Pokemon. I don't have steady hands. I do not have steady hands.
So your guy was here on you,
This is goofy.
and what kind of happened?
During my
was
month?
Alex just looked
Yeah.
through it.
During my month,
What I
it's
want you
crazy.
to
special
do
privilege to
when
hold
in
the
this
phone.
situation,
This is not
go
a
to the
special
break
privilege.
side. So it forces either two things: either I either have to pull you, and now I'm not really guarding the lane, or I have to come to you and also bring like
So it leaves that break side.
exactly.
Huh.
Well, like yes. So like it leaves that.
What do you say? Does it make
leaves
it say, wait,
this
keep
shotgun open.
Oh.
So that once I get this
I
Alex,
told him to go to www.cox.com, but then I said it's not affiliated with the program anyway, so not represent us or its members. I told
Crazy.
them to buy hats, but that's not where you buy them.
Crazy.
You might be able to buy hats, I don't know. Not for your head.
They're definitely a car hat, not ours.
That's exactly. They definitely have cock hats.
Why do they all have beautiful views?
They do.
Actually, that one's not as good as the rest, but still.
Steven Gostkowski has that.
Bro, the moment I dropped it,
Logan, free.
Logan,
free.
Good. Oh.
Nice try, nice try. Just get back up, get back in it.
That's why I was excited.
Good, Jay.
Up, sideline.
Want something coming here? Want something short?
Kevin, move back. Move off the sidelines.
Want something short here? Want something cute? There it is. Cheers.
Yeah, I think that was a stay.
Wow.
Halftime.
Oh my days.
Half.
Man, it's halftime.
3 to 8.
Hold this on. I gotta pee.
I flash flood for 4 seconds.
Next one.
Jeez.
We'll get him in the second half.
Touch off.
Touch each other. Touch your brother.
Ready.
Hey, bring it tight. Touch up. This sucks. Coaches, I don't want to get too specific with very niche things that we want to change, just for the record. So please don't get too niche in what we need to fix. So a couple big things. One, we have had a chance to run our end zone a few times. We've run it correctly once. Good job, Hitchcock. And we scored. We ran it correctly twice. Yours was sort of. I would say 3 times then if you want to count that one, but I wouldn't count it. The other time was the backhand that got D'd on Flugie. It was really well run. I mean, it was well run. It was just kind of a tight work. So they're running a Poachy set. We've been talking about it. Okay. To talk about it a little bit more, they're leaving someone out in the space and someone deep. And that deep person does not move because they don't want us to throw hugs because we are tall. Okay? The game plan wasn't to do that anyways, so it's okay. Should be okay. If you are that person that is poached, meaning your guys just want to guard you, this could be the front of the stack, it could be the middle. One is you have to be aware of your defender. Okay? We have a lot of guys sitting there and thinking it's not them, and they're turned around the wrong way, when in fact they could be getting the disc for free. So you have to be really, really aware. What I want you to do is go to the break side hard. I want you to be very loud, yell coach, coach, coach. Once you go into the backfield, and then the other handler should recognize that person comes into the backfield, clear out, and then you have a free reset to that person. If you get the disc and you are that person, you have no mark, which means you shouldn't rush a throw. You should get a wide open throw. Don't try to throw anything tight with it. Okay? Big picture speaking, no, we are not going to start running a zone on a target, guys. But a lot of people look out to me and they're like, hey, maybe zone, maybe zone. That's not the problem. We're getting turns. What we're not doing is capitalizing on offense. No, we're not going to go out of our vert stack because our vert stack should be able to beat this. We should be able to beat this. We don't have another offense that we've practiced yet because our vert stack can't beat this. Okay? So we as a team are going to have to figure out how to beat this tonight. Okay? If we can't figure it out tonight, we're going to keep on working on how to figure it out. Okay? We're working on how to beat a coach. But I'm not going to change up the system that we've been practicing just because we can't beat some high school kids coach. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Does that make sense to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we're going to keep on doing exactly what we did in the first half. We're just going to beat the poach better by being aware of where our person is. Okay? If anybody has any comments or concerns, talk to me on the sideline somewhere, and you can make suggestions. But I really want to, and I think we can beat this team by just being more aware and probably having patience a little bit. I think we're making a lot of antsy throws. But now that we're a little more settled in, let's go into the next half with a different mindset, right? These guys are pretty good. They're pretty athletic, really fast, and they don't stop running. Okay? We have to adapt. We have to adapt as a team.
One thing I've been addressing to some of the lines, not everybody, realize what cut is viable. I know it's not conventional that they're not in a vert stack, they're not cutting from the back, but say if Russ is the guy I'm guarding, if I'm forcing no under, if I'm forcing no deep, like this is split side, and he's going there. This is a viable cut. This is something I have to guard. If he doesn't get it, he goes break side. There's still a look, kind of not have to guard him that hard. If he's still way over in the break side, forget him. Not forget him, but you have time to rest in that period to recover back to your normal positioning. Okay, it's not like you have to be on them 100% in their pocket everywhere they go in the field. You have time to take a break, but you have times where you have to be on it in the defense. Another thing on offense, our handler cuts are not conducive to switching the point of attack or just getting clean resets. So from the front of the stack, I'm seeing us cut straight to this backfield and vertical line. We're not even setting up these cuts. So again, we're not setting up for cuts. We're not even attacking this guy's cushion and then seeing where he's going. If we're going backfield or if we're taking it to an upline. And then we're not taking it at an angle to where we're throwing in space. So we're not throwing to space. And if we're not throwing to space, we're not getting a good angle to switch it to the other side of the field. So we're still going break side, except now we have more bodies behind the disc, in front of the disc, and it's all on the four side within a third of the field. So use the space, make cuts to space, and hit those cuts, and then hit the cuts with better timing, and with better air, so that our guys can actually set up a cut, get separation, and then beat their guy with just their legs.
I think our marks have to be a lot better. Generally, we're going all force flare today, except for zone. We're going to all be force flare. If you let a backhand off, it is on you. Don't let a fucking backhand off. And as a defender downfield, guard the open side. That is your responsibility. If it goes to the break side, then it's on the mark. As the mark, guard the break side and guard the backhand. As the downfield defender, guard the open side. It's going to be a lot easier if we can limit what part of the fields that the thrower can attack and limit what part of the fields that the cutter can attack.
I want to demonstrate this just to make sure everybody kind of understands. Okay, so if I have the disc and we're going that way, Jeffrey's mark will be here. Which means he's taking away my back. I don't have any back in the throw because he's in the way. So everything I can throw is to the open side, meaning the side he's not guarding, which is my flick. Okay? He's okay with me throwing flicks. He's not okay with me throwing backwards. Okay? If we downfield, if Russ is coming for me. Chen positioning himself on the open side, not the break side. And probably against this team, probably under. I mean, they're fast. If the guy's fast, you good God stay behind him, right? We don't want to get too deep. But we really we want to position ourselves on the underside, open side, and underneath our guy. So that Russ cannot get too deep back and forth with him, right? If he's going to go, he's got to go that way. Right? Does that make sense to everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Really, really tight marks in the second half. I agree with you. All right. You guys ready to win this game? Come back.
Yeah.
Thumbs in. Touch the disc.
Hey, let me get a thumb in.
Whoa, out of half. Out of half? Y'all are crazy.
Half is kind of.
Out of half is wild. Out of half is
Let's say we do
wild.
a game cost.
Yeah.
Up, down?
Yeah.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Gamecocks!
Yeah.
That's what they said.
Dirty birds. Can I play a point and then take a piss?
It's your month to shine. What's your comment?
Thank you.
Okay, that's it.
I need a
1, 2. Sorry. 4, 5. Six, 7. That's a line. Nah, it's been a while.
Why is everybody sick? God damn.
Thanks, bro.
It was perfect. It was perfect. It was just tight.
That's an alumni.
Hey, can I get all the handlers over here? Handlers. If you're front of the stack, you can come too.
I'm just passing through, don't worry.
Yeah, you can take it.
Jim, JC said he misses you.
Oh, I miss you too, JC.
That's what I've been doing.
What time?
8:10. They got the Kids Bop music station going on. Russ giving some instructions. Hand giving, pull coming. To Trey. To Hitchcock.